What is going on, everybody? As always, over the weekend I'm gonna give back to my community members, my subscribers, my followers, by giving you 1 or 2 free trades that I find using Market Chameleon, as well as dividend capture strategy for next week. You can use a link in the description below to get 7 days free trial for Market Chameleon. Let's go over and see what we see before you even actually go there. Let's go for the software itself and let's give you some trades so you know exactly what you're getting into. For you guys that don't really know what my channel is and what Market Chameleon do, basically they're giving you the best selling options for income trades. They don't tell you where the market is going up or down. They're just saying, hey, this trade for this ticker, you should get paid basically something like $50 if you take the trade income, but specifically this trade today, based on history, you should get $50 and now you get $100, something like that. So you get the most bang for your buck. Let's do a couple of examples. First, you go here, you do the strategy. I like to stick to this one, top 3 by win rate. You can do top 3 by edge, debit, credit, spread it, spread, debit spread, credit spread, iron condor, iron butterfly, calls and puts. I just stick to top 3 by win rate. Let's focus. I'm gonna give you a couple of options. Start with the Qs right here, and what we got for the price, all-time high, of course, every day. This market has been pretty every day this week, just went up, unbelievable. 331 all-time high for the Qs. So I'm thinking that while it could go higher, because I did the top 3 by win rate, it's not gonna go higher a lot. So I took this trade basically, and you can just follow, not a financial advice, just follow Market Chameleon. We got this trade, bear call spread, okay, right here, bear call spread. We got 96% chance to win. 96% chance to win. This is the trade for February 26, which is about 3 weeks from now. For 3 weeks from now, this is what you do. You sell the 350 calls and you buy the 350 free calls. Okay. Again, for February 26, you sell the 350 call, you buy the 350 free, and as long as the QQQ are below 350, they are at 331 now, which is another 7-8% to the upside in 3 weeks. Pretty crazy, at least, especially after this week. Then if it stays below 350, option will expire worthless, the spread will expire worthless. You get to keep all your income. How much is that? Basically, you get to keep 0.18. Let's say you do a limit order on Robinhood for 0.2, so you get $20 for every 350 free minus 350. That's 300 minus the credit, $20. So for every $280 that you risk, you get paid $20. Yes, it doesn't sound a lot, but do 10 of those and you collect $200 up front for putting $2,800 at risk as a collateral. And basically, once this trade expire worthless in 3 weeks, as long as the Qs are below 350, you keep the 200 plus the collateral that you put, 2,800 released to your account. But the beauty of Market Chameleon is that you get paid 18 bucks. Again, put a limit of 20, but in theory, based on history, 6 years, you should have gotten paid $7. That's all, $7 only. But you're getting paid 18 bucks because of volatility and just people buying without really thinking about the Greeks. So for $7, I would not do this trade. It's not really valuable. But $18 compared to $7, that's, if you think about it, that's 150% more income than what you should have got. If you have, and once the Qs are expire below 350 in 3 weeks from now, that's money in your bank account. It's pretty awesome. That's what I think. Let's do another trade. I clicked on Apple right here. Price today 136.76. Again, top 3 by win rate. I like to stay consistent with this. Yes, the gains are not extreme, but you are gonna stay in the market long term. And if you have a lot of cash to deploy, you can sell not just one contract, sell 5, 10, 100. It's all up to you. But if you stick to the percentage, the numbers will stay the same. You just make more if you have more. That's all. Top 3 by win rate for Apple. Let's see what we got. This one is 5th of March. This one is 19th of February. But because the market went up a lot in the last couple of days and we're at all-time high, this one I prefer to stick to this one. Again, bear call spread. This is my theme for the week. I don't think the market will go a lot higher in the next 2-3 weeks. This is a month from now, March 5th. 93% chance of win rate. Again, this is what you do. You sell for March 5th Apple 152.5, 152.5 calls, and you buy the 157.5 calls. Okay, so that's risking $500 minus your income. Let's say 0.26. Let's say 0.25. Put 25. You can do more. You can do 30. It's up to you. You just need to get filled. But let's, for the sake of argument, you put 0.25. So you're getting paid $25 for every 475 that you risk. Yes, it's not a lot, but it is Apple. It doesn't move too much, and as long as Apple doesn't go above 152.5, which is the 12% from here, that's like half it, I don't know, 400 billion dollar move in the next month. If Apple stays below 152.5, you get to keep $25 for every 475 that you have. So let's say you put 5,000 on the line, 4,750. You get paid $250 for every 4,750 that you risk. And a month from now, as long as Apple stays stable and below 152.5, your 250 is yours to keep, and the collateral of 4,750 goes back into your Robinhood account to do this again and again. This strategy you can deploy with a small account basically, and just do it again and again. That's extra $250 a month without doing anything. As long as Apple can stay the same at 136, Apple can go up to 152, which is super extreme, you still win, and Apple can go down for 100, 120, 130, doesn't matter, you still win. Those are the two trades that I give you guys. Yes, the wins are small, but the percentage of wins, 93%, 96% on the Qs. You just stay consistent, you make small wins, and you stay in the market again and again, long term. And this is what Market Chameleon gives me. Again, I get paid 26 cents, but in theory, what I should have got paid is $9. And if I got $9 while risking almost 491, that's not worth my while. But because a Market Chameleon found me this trade, I get paid $26 compared to $9, which is almost 200% more income-wise. You see, double the price is 18 and triple the price is 27. Almost 3 times the income. That's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. I like that. And that's what Market Chameleon gives me. It doesn't tell me Apple will go to 150 or stay the same. It doesn't. It just tells me that this is the trade that usually I should have got paid $9, but now I'm getting paid $26 for that. Pretty awesome stuff. Let's move on. I'll show you guys one quick one. AMC price today is 687. Look at this. This is pretty crazy. Look at this bull put spread right here for March, a month from now. Or we can do something closer. Let's stick to this one. February 26th, 3 weeks from now. Look at this. This is crazy. You sell the put. You sell 3.5 put, 3.5 put, and you buy the $2 put. So you sell the 350 and you buy the 2, risking $150 minus your income. which is 18 bucks. Let's say you do a limit of 0.2, so that's 20 bucks. So your risk is 150 minus 20, $130. And as long as AMC stays above $3.50, which is insane, if it goes back to 350 where it was before all this chaos, then that's insane. You got 98% win rate, and as long as AMC stays above 350, you get to keep your 18 or 20 bucks for every $130 that you risk. So let's say you sell 10 of those, and you get to keep $200 for every 1,300 that you risk. Okay, and as long as AMC stays above 350 in the next 3 weeks, yes, a lot of people will lose money because they bought AMC at like 14 bucks. But if you are not one of those people, or you want to regroup your investment or something like that, as long as it stays above 350, you're good to go. And your max loss, which is 20 bucks, is if AMC stays below 2, closes below 2. If they close below 2, it's insane. I don't think it will happen, but you know, we saw AMC and GameStop what happened. But look at Market Chameleon, how they come into display. You get paid 18 bucks, and again, I would put a limit of 0.2, 20 bucks in Robinhood. You got a great arbitrage in here. You get paid 18 bucks instead of $1, which is 18 times more on your income. I hope this was helpful. You can get 7 days free trial of Market Chameleon in the description below. After that, it's about depends on your subscription, anywhere between 69 bucks to 99 bucks. I am a $99 paid member. Very happy. All the options available to me. Let's go over some dividend capture strategy for the week. Okay, so right now I'm in here. I did dividend. I click on this premium users where the paid members are, future X dividend, and I got to this screener, and I changed this one stock type to common stock, X dividend in the next 7 days. And then I changed the yield right here from high to low, just to see what we got. Let's see if we find something that I know about the names. Oxford is a monthly. Let's stick to this one. ENB. I like ENB. I know this name. Enbridge. Look at this. 9.5% yield. 9.5% dividend yield for dividend amount of 83 cents, which is an increase of 3.1% from last time. Quarterly dividend, ex-dividend date is on the 11th of February, meaning that you need to hold shares of ENB. I'll open this in a second. 1 day before, on February 10th. Record date is the day after that, and you get paid March 1st. Basically, you get paid March 1st. So let's click on that and see what you get. If you click on ENB right here, so ENB Enbright, price today 35 bucks. Look what we got. Dividend yield, we got 9.5%, pretty awesome. Next earning on the 12th, February 12th, so it might be a little risky, and the next dividend is on the 11th. I would not touch that. It's a gamble because you have to hold shares on the 10th. Okay, you have to hold shares on the 10th. Well, maybe, because you can sell on the 11th, which is the ex-dividend date. That's fine, and the day after that is the earning. So basically, you can buy on the 10th and sell on the 11th and avoid the earnings, which are on the 12th. Up to you. And of course, you can go over all this list and just pick and choose your own dividends. But you get paid 83 cents. That's pretty awesome. 83 cents for every share. So let's say you got yourself 100 shares, which is $3,500, and you get paid 83 bucks. 83 bucks free, just because you got the shares at least 1 day before the ex-dividend date, which is February 10th. So you buy on the February 10th basically, and the record date is February 11, and you sell on the February 11 to avoid the earning on February 12, which could be great and the share could go up, but I'm not counting on that. That's just one option. Let's see what else we got. 9.5% dividend, pretty awesome. I saw a name in here. There we go. ExxonMobil, 7%. People are ignoring Chevron and ExxonMobil, because you know, everyone are afraid of oil still, even though oil went from zero to like $50 in the last couple of months, but no one wants to talk about it. People are still afraid that it's zero. It's not zero anymore, it's $50. So we got ExxonMobil. Let's see, ex-dividend date on the 9th of February. So you need to hold shares on the 8th, which I think is Monday, if I remember correctly. I'm not sure about it, but basically let's see what they pay. See what they pay. You see the price already at $50. I got into ExxonMobil when it was like 32, 33 a couple of months ago, around March, April. Pretty awesome price. It went down from 80 to 40. I was very happy to buy at 40, and then it went down to 32, so I bought then. But you know, and things always correct themselves to where it should be. It just depends on time. So ExxonMobil at $50. They go dividend on February 9th, 87 cents per share, meaning that for every $5,000, that's 100 shares, for example, you invest $5,000, you get paid $87. Pretty awesome. Let's do one more. Something that caught my eye as well is here we go, IBM pay a dividend as well. How much is that? 5.4%. Let's click here. Price today, they posted horrible earnings about 2 weeks ago. Price went from like 135 to 120. Didn't move since. Maybe it's a buying opportunity. I haven't really do IBM fair value, but I probably should do a video about IBM. They pay you a very high dividend. Look at this, $1.63 per share. So 100 shares is about $12,000, and you get paid $163. And if you don't have 12,000, let's say you do just 10 shares for $1,200, you get paid $16, give or take, for a dividend yield of 5.4%. And if you think about holding IBM long term, maybe post earnings when they went down 10% from 130 something to 120, maybe it's a good time to start a position. I do not know. I need to do some financial statements for IBM. Basically, guys, if you want to check Market Chameleon, there's a link in the description below. You can do a 7-day trial. I love them. This is not a sponsored post. However, I do get paid if you sign up, but I'm a paid member, and I would not recommend stuff that I'm not a paid member of and using and loving the product, which I use every single day, either for myself or for my Patreon members, where we sell options for income. All that good stuff is in the description below. You can do some Tesla long calls in here. Tons of options, tons and tons of options. Seasonality, you can spy Nike. The last 5 days we only went up a lot, so I assume a correction. Those are the trades that I give you guys for the week. Those are the dividends I got for you guys for the week. Try my Market Chameleon for 7 days. If you like them, feel free to join their subscription if you feel like it. I'm very happy customer. As always, guys, if I bring you any sort of value, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Let me know if you signed for Market Chameleon or not. What do you think? What's the pluses? What's the minuses? There's a lot of other stuff in here, by the way, I haven't even talked about. There's earnings stuff that you can do with options. There's biotech. So let me show you the biotech right here. Biotech Catalyst, where you click, and I just tried to play with this this week. These are all the stocks that are going next week or the next 2-3 weeks or so into FDA or clinical trial and all that stuff. So, for example, PHAT, clinical trial phase 1, supposed to be February 7th, so you can play for the February 19 option. Novarex, that's Caddy Wood buying a lot. Clinical trial phase 3, study of safety efficiency for Bruconsmerg, 6 milligram doses every 4 weeks. Supposed to talk about it February 8th. That alone is pretty massive. All this data in here for biotech. 15,000 open interest contract for option, you can play that. Mark also have clinical trial phase 2 for what? Safety and tolerability for pembrolizumab MK3475, Glaxo and Smith, AstraZeneca phase 2, phase 3. So I haven't even touched that, but this is super lucrative. I think they added this lately, just lately, this extra feature, if I remember correctly, because I haven't seen that when I started. Yeah, it says new. Biotech stock Hodl is new. So that's another screener that you get paid in the paid membership without adding. It's the same price for the membership. And as always, guys, if you gain value, subscribe. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Yeah.